Good afternoon, folks. I had a little bit of news that I wanted to share with you. I heard from Mr. Jim Kennard today, and they currently have 2 of the Mittleider training boot camp classes scheduled for April of 2020. This is the same class that I went to 5 years ago when I started with the Mittleider Gardening method. And if you're watching my channel here in the greenhouse, everything that we grow is grown with the Mittleider method. If you are interested in learning how to grow your own Mittleider garden, whether it be in a grow box or out in your own soil, here's a terrific opportunity for you to learn. Jim is an absolute wealth of information. He has been doing it for a very long time and is an absolute subject matter expert. Everything that I know I have learned by watching and imitating Jim. The classes are a week long. All of the meals are provided for you. His wife Araxia is a wonderful cook. You're going to eat very well if you're here. There are accommodations there for you to stay. You don't have to look for a hotel. All of this is inclusive in the price. And you can find out more information about the class and the dates at his Grow Food website. Go to the, I think it's the shop tab, and it is listed down towards the bottom of the page. If you are serious about learning to grow your own food, this is a phenomenal opportunity. I have learned a lot watching other people on YouTube, reading the book. I learned more in the week that I was there with Jim during that class than I have anywhere else. He is an absolute walking, talking knowledge base for the Mittleider garden. You get to see a Mittleider garden, you get to get your hands in the soil, do these things yourself. They have a workshop for you to build the different tools that are used with a Mittleider garden. You get to ask the questions that you have. You get to see these things being done. If you learn by getting your hands on it like I do, it's a phenomenal opportunity. There are currently 2 classes scheduled for 2020. They're in April. I understand the later class is nearly booked full, and there's not a lot of interest in the earlier class, which is in the first part of April, and if it doesn't get filled, it'll get canceled. So if you're interested either in the early or the later class, you need to get signed up now before it's no longer available, either because it's full or it was canceled due to lack of interest. The facility where Jim holds all this training is about a 15-minute drive from my greenhouse. I will be over there every week, and you will have an opportunity to come over and see the greenhouse if you're interested and ask any questions that you've got. And Jim is just absolutely an amazing knowledge base. Anything to do with gardening. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up and get these potatoes in the garden, or get these potatoes in a grow box and get this video uploaded. If you are going to make either one of these classes, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section, and I look forward to meeting you in April. Thanks. Happy gardening.